guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Alright guys, so I'm starting off here with my wet ingredients. I have here 2 eggs along with 1 cup of milk and a half a cup of sour cream, and as well as a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now these pancakes are so phenomenal. Once you try them, you are never going to want to go back to prepackaged pancake mix again. Mix these wet ingredients until they're well incorporated, and then we're going to be adding our dry ingredients, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 cups of flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, along with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm just gonna mix these until they're combined. Do not overmix these because they will make your pancakes tough. It should look like this. It has a little bit of lump still in it. That is just fine. So I'm buttering my griddle, and now this is when all the magic's going to happen. We're going to put the pancakes on the hot griddle, and after they start bubbling on top, we're going to just flip them over, and they should be nice and golden brown on the other side, and they're simply just gonna puff up beautifully. This is an outstanding recipe. These pancakes come together so fast. You will be able to whip these up during the week. The sour cream in these pancakes really gives them such a nice, unbelievable flavor. They're so tender, they're moist, they're fluffy. They're just everything you want in a pancake. Be sure to top them off with a nice pat of butter, some nice warm maple syrup, and you got yourself the most delicious, wonderful, melt in your mouth sour cream pancakes. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Like this video if you're planning on trying it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on more of my quick and easy recipes. Thank you guys so much for watching.